Texas Senate Bill 4 imposes severe penalties for illegal entry, fundamentally changing the treatment of migrants. The law not only establishes new offenses, but also enforces harsh jail sentences for those who violate it. Furthermore, the law empowers local police to detain suspected undocumented immigrants, which heightens the risk of wrongful deportations. This raises grave concerns regarding due process and increases the potential for racial profiling. In light of this, critics maintain that SB 4 amplifies fears within immigrant communities, compelling families to distance themselves from law enforcement. This pervasive climate of fear adversely affects the daily lives of many individuals seeking safety. Additionally, Texas officials are referencing the Second Amendment ruling from U.S. v. Rahimi to fortify state control over immigration enforcement. They argue this positions them favorably in legal disputes against federal preemption claims. In contrast, the Biden administration contends that SB 4 undermines federal immigration authority and threatens civil rights. They assert that existing federal laws should take precedence over state laws like SB 4. As a result, ongoing legal disputes have led to conflicting court rulings, affecting how SB 4 is enforced. This legal ambiguity is shaping public sentiment toward both state and federal immigration policies. Texas claims that SB 4 is essential for border protection, invoking constitutional rights to self-defense against unauthorized crossings. Their argument strongly stresses the necessity of local control in immigration enforcement. Conversely, the Biden administration emphasizes that immigration enforcement is inherently a federal responsibility. They caution against conflicting state regulations that could disrupt national policy and international agreements. Concerns persist regarding community safety and potential racial profiling associated with SB 4 enforcement. Critics alarmingly predict that stringent immigration measures may shift resources away from other crucial public safety needs. States such as Alabama and Georgia may follow Texas's example, potentially enacting their own immigration laws if Texas's legal challenges prove successful. This sets a troubling precedent for state autonomy in immigration enforcement. In response, advocacy groups are gearing up for legal challenges aimed at safeguarding immigrant rights, arguing that state-led policies infringe on federal authority. This conflict significantly raises questions regarding human rights protections in the evolving immigration landscape. The ongoing immigration crisis continues to strain local communities, eliciting a mix of compassion for migrants and frustration